Hey everyone, welcome to another excellent episode. This time we'll be talking to Likita, who is currently a fourth year engineering student at BMSIT, about importance of volunteering and how it has really played a vital role for her to succeed in her engineering days. So Likita, a heartily welcome to you.
Thank you, Pawan. Thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure to be here on this place, this stage.
Great. So we can just kickstart with a short introduction about you, Likita, and who you are, where you come from, and what was your main motivation to take up engineering.
Okay, so I'm basically from Bangalore, and I wanted to do engineering because I was very interested in physics, but I did not choose BSc because it's more of pure science, and I wanted to try something with applied science. And the closest I found was engineering, so that's what motivated me to take engineering. And yeah, it's been really nice to study electronics. So I'm pursuing electronics and communication at BMS Institute of Technology and Management. Yeah.
Great. So, how is the experience so far at BMSIT?
Okay, so the experience at BMSIT has been really good. You have everything what you can ask for someone who's just starting their career, who's just moving out from college and trying to experience something new. So you have everything set there. All you have to do is just go grab the opportunities and explore and see what you can be in 4 years down the lane.
So, we're talking about importance of volunteering. So, can you please explain to us what are the different volunteering roles you're taken up and why it is so important?
Okay, so to start off, I was a very studious kind of a kid. So I did not get into any extracurriculars in my first year because I was very focused on academics. I did not want to miss any class and all of those things. But I gradually realized that, academics is not everything. You don't get everything just, with classroom teaching. I felt like, okay, I need to like go out, talk to people. If I want something done, I need to have connections. So I was like, and also, because it was just the first year, I did not know, I did not feel connected with people there. I had not found the right set of people. So I thought, okay, maybe I'll go explore clubs. So there was this orientation happening. I was very fortunate that I got a message from IEEE. So that was the first club I was associated with and where I began my volunteering journey. So the membership fee was around 2000 rupees for 1.5 years. So I told my mom that, please give me 2000 rupees. I'll go see the orientation, and if I like it, I'll join. Otherwise, I'll bring back the money and give it to you. So, I mean, when I saw them explaining about what IEEE is and what they do as a club, I was like, oh my God, this is the place where I belong to. I mean, I should get along with these people, and I felt connected. So I was like, let me enroll and explore. So that's how I started up. And since then, I have taken up a few volunteering positions. So first off, I applied for secretary, and I was fortunate enough that I was given the opportunity to serve as a secretary of my student branch at BMSIT. And then I got elevated to the position of chairperson, which I'm currently holding. So yeah, I've been volunteering with IEEE for the past 2 years. Apart from that, I also volunteered for Rotaract and a few more clubs like alumni and all of those. Like that's a T-shirt I'm wearing. It's like 1BY. I'm not very sure if they can see. So 1BY basically stands for like that USN which we have at our college. So yeah, I volunteered for alumni and I got this T-shirt from them. Yep. So yeah, a few more clubs there.
Great, very inspiring. It's really nice that you dedicate a lot of time other than academics to grow yourself, upskill yourself.
Yeah.
What are the key activities generally you pursue in volunteering?
As a club, to include volunteering as such as like we try to focus on helping students gain expertise in soft skills. Basically, you just you know how to talk to people, you know how to get things done, you know how to approach people, and all of those things. It naturally comes up when you start volunteering or when you're with people. You learn a lot of people skills, which is extremely essential. Like when you step out of college. So that's one primary thing. And apart from that, you also, as a club, like because we are a technical club, we also organize technical workshops. So you get to contact resource people, like you get in touch with resource people, and maybe you have an idea and that person might be the right person. You go get in touch with them, work on a project, and then boom, you have a paper, or you have a project there. You have something you can work on for your summer, and be productive. There's so many things you can do as a club. And even with Rotaract, like I got to meet people who work at district level, like they've been serving and providing social service and many of those kind of things, which is like really inspiring, and they keep motivating you. So yeah, these skills are something which we learn as a part of volunteering, and trust me, they're going to stay with you forever. So yeah, volunteering is the best reward in itself. Like, yeah, that's what I've always believed.
So how has volunteering shaped who you are today, and what are the key learnings for you?
Okay. When if I look back, when I was in first year, I was not very expressive. I would not talk a lot. So what I would be, I never thought it was essential to even express myself. But when you meet people, and you want something from them, or it's always like give and take, like they want something from you, or it's not only about give and take also, but it's also about how much you contribute to the community you learn from. So it's basically based on that. Like, I learned a lot of things from my seniors, so I have to give it to my juniors, and then go, step out of the college. That keeps on continuing. So it's more of that, what we learn. So what I learned is it's very essential to make contacts. It's very essential to network, and how it has shaped me. I've seen an exponential growth. It's not even linear. I can say, like, I've exponentially grown, and I have got like a lot of honors as well, like recognition, fame. It feels nice. You feel motivated when you're looking for a small bit of motivation when you're lost. And maybe you lost someday, like you're lost because of some hectic work pressure or something, and then you do a little bit of volunteering, and you get some mementos, or you get some appraisal from a senior person. You feel motivated, and then you feel like coming back to track. So that's how volunteering helps you to stay you academically current and academically stable. You can excel. Like, so it's very essential you have something extra to do with along with your academics, to help you focus when you are like stressed out and all of those things. So yeah, that's how you make use of it.
Great. And finally, one of my question would be like, what are your tips, especially for students who are planning to become volunteers themselves? How should one approach a specific role and pursue volunteering?
Okay, so what I believe in is this one statement, which I don't know how I came up with. So either you join and explore the club, or you explore and join. Both of them are going to be fun. That's what I feel. Like, you feel something is interesting, go for it and see if that's for you. Or you just find out, okay, will I be interested in this, and then explore. Either ways, you're going to learn a lot of things. So just go for whatever you're interested in. And it's very essential that you do something apart from your academics, because only academics is not going to fetch you everything. So maybe it might not be volunteering, but maybe a small community service you do, or a project you do with a group of friends that can benefit the community. It's all about how you give back to the community you're learning from. So that's what all matters at the end of the day. So yeah.
Great. So Likita, you're saying that it is very important to have a holistic development, because that's what exactly the placements, like basically the companies coming in are looking for, higher education institutions are looking for. So volunteering is one bit of the puzzle to shape who you end up becoming, and to enhance your skill sets.
True.
So great. Thank you so much for this. I really hope that this will make some impact in people who are listening to this. discussions. And for those of you who are listening in, there'll be many more exciting videos on this ground. So please kindly subscribe, like, and share. And also do reach out to Likita if you have any doubts and you want to check out how she approached volunteering, etc. And also please do comment if you have any questions. So until the next video, take care. We will see you all soon.
Yeah, take care, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.